Alright guys, welcome to this new YouTube video. It's gonna be me replacing my trunk thing. So I just ordered this off of eBay. Yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out what this piece of metal is wrong. This is the one I just pulled off of my vehicle. And then this one's the new one. Except you can see when I try fitting the hole, it just looks so wrong. So I want this to be right here, as you can see. So I'm going to try and like unscrewdriver it. Oh. So yeah, let's see if I can do that. And just switch the pieces, because I think the electronics in this piece are all wrong. So we'll just see if we can do this. Sorry for the mishap of my shirt being off. So we'll just pull this off, and then we'll see. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. It looks like it's just a part of it. And I want it to be like this. Oh, do you want to be my YouTube video?
I have a task for you.
What?
To clean your sink.
No, you're on a YouTube video. So I'm just trying to see if I can do this. Why are you talking to me in American? We're in USA. Guys, I can't keep up the stick anymore. That was my British accent. I know is pretty good, but this is my United States accent. This screws on a little too tight, folks. Just like my attitude. I know what you mean. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. So, let's think. So yeah, this is my old one. If it'll come into focus. And this is the new one. Same thing. Just need to try and see if I can get the worst case. I just break this off, but I don't want to ideally do that. So let's see how this wants to come off. This doesn't look like it wants to, because this is split in. And this is in it. Ugh. So let's see. Oh, you guys want to watch? Yes, I see. My trunk decided it wants to work only like half of the time. Okay. I think the move is going to be you gotta take it off. Yeah. Just pop this thing off. Okay. Well, let's see. Do you rate my YouTube video good so far?
10 million stars.
Aw, thanks.
Is there not some sort of like switch?
No, I don't know. I mean, I don't care about my new one. Just no, my old one. Just want to see if I can get this. So on both of them, you have this piece. Okay. Okay. Just don't think. I think this is just like, yeah, this is just stuck. Yeah, just. Yeah. I'm gonna have to break it off of the new piece. So, okay. Never mind, guys. This isn't going to work as I'd hoped. Ugh. Oh my. Alright, well, you know, at least we tried. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright, folks. Well, that was an attempt. It didn't really work that well. What do you do? So, I think the conclusion is I can screw these 13mm bolts on right here because I need this to be right here. So we're just gonna just kind of pop this off. You could even get a screwdriver and pop it off. So there we go. We got that broken. So this should fit on because this is the exact same piece. So yeah, let's go try that real quick. You missed the part where I took this off. So now we have a clean trunk thingy. I might just take this for fun. So, oh shoot. Okay, let's just take a look. All right, let's get these bolts. And so this should be pretty easy right here because we have this. So I really hope you can see that. But yeah, so we're gonna take, this is a 13mm like deep socket because it just gave me a lot better leverage getting up on there. And then holy shoot, I forget which way it went, honestly. Part of me is like, oh wait, yeah, because you have to have this connection here. So all right, it'll fit now. So all I gotta do, tighten that on as much as I can. Oh, you missed all the good part where I had to like strip all of this off. So, oh wait. Yeah, make sure I'm putting it on right. But we'll get that nice and tightened because we broke off that one piece that we wanted, that, you know, it just didn't decide to fit. Why is this? Oh, it's probably because this is cheap Harbor Freight ratchet. Okay, we're on there. Good enough. Yeah. So that looks like that's gonna be how we're gonna replace this. This should be good. Good now. Let me go find my keys. This should be a pretty good repair. I got the part for $70 on eBay. This from Amazon is like 30. That ratchet set from Harbor Freight. So not a fun repair because I don't like cars, but let's take a look. Beautiful. Look at that. All right. Well, thanks for this Live Life Random repair looking thing. So, yeah. All right. Make sure to go have fun. Go fix some shit or something. I don't know. Love you.